Paleo barefoots. Sports shoes can have different looks and designs. However, these sneakers that you see on the screen stand out among other shoes in the world for their uniqueness. They're made of steel. The material is a chainmail of very small rings. Paleo barefoots are chainmail socks which are adjusted to the leg and then fixed with an elastic lacing. The surface, though rigid, doesn't cause any discomfort. The feet almost don't feel the shoes according to the manufacturer. These are the best shoes for running and just walking on a rough terrain in the forest. Despite the fact that the shoes are made of steel, they're still very lightweight. Each sneaker is approximately 200 grams. Tent Fistral. Requirements imposed on camping and survival equipments are usually quite demanding. They have to be light, compact, reliable, and at the same time provide the owner with maximum comfort. The Tent Fistral from the German company Heimplanet has all these characteristics. When folded, it takes less space than a standard sleeping bag. The weight of the whole construction doesn't exceed 2.5 kilograms. The tent can be inflated with an air pump. The process of installing the tent takes no more than a minute, after which it's ready to use. By looks, it may appear to be not very reliable, however the manufacturer claims that Fistral is able to withstand even extreme weather conditions. If one part of the frame has been damaged, the other will keep holding it in the correct position. The manufacturer offers several tents of similar design of various sizes. Gerber Tools. You never know when a sharp tool might become super useful. A standard knife, even a folding one, can take up precious space in the bag. This is the GDC Zip Blade by Gerber. It's a part of the series of mini gadgets created by this company and equipped with a tiny but very sharp blade. The GDC Zip Blade has an optimal design for camping because of its very compact size. In case you have to deal with a hard material, you can use another knife by Gerber, known as the Hunting Vital Zip. This knife is focused on tourist and hunting needs. It can safely cut even the most solid materials. The next tool can perform many different functions. It is equipped with pliers, wire cutters, screwdrivers, tweezers, and a file. We can safely say these tools are super handy and serve so many purposes. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section. The Fontus bottle. In the wilds, finding drinking water can be a challenge. This is a bottle that allows you to stop worrying about that. Fontus bottle has a unique design which allows you to get water literally from the air. In order to do this, you need to connect the bottle to a special station that comes in the kit. It's equipped with a fan which drives the air through a special filter and then through the condensation chambers. Inside them, the coolers force the liquid to condense on the surface, and then it flows into the bottle. It is powered by a solar cell, so you don't even have to carry any batteries. The speed of filling the bottle depends on the temperature and humidity of the air. In ideal conditions, the device can produce half a liter of water from the air in an hour. Pure to go. Here's another device that allows you to produce water in the wild effortlessly. Most standard water filters don't destroy the bacteria in the water. They detain them, but they keep reproducing inside the filter. Pure 2 Go has a completely different design. According to the manufacturer, it's able to kill germs and bacteria. Thus, the device is not actually a water filter, but a purifier. It's noteworthy that the process of water purification does not take any time. The dirty water is poured into one end of the purifier, after which the clean water immediately flows from the other end. Cleaning cartridges are replaceable. Titan blankets and sleeping bags. While surviving in the wild, you need to be ready for everything. Bad weather can easily catch you by surprise. Besides, you may need to spend the night in the open air. The Titan blankets and sleeping bags are made from a special material that was originally developed by NASA. The fabric is 47 times thinner than any competing camping blankets and sleeping bags. Thanks to this, they practically don't take up any space when folded. The weight of the sleeping bag is only 126 grams, and it literally fits in the palm of your hand. At the same time, the material is able to retain up to 90% of the human heat. Thanks to this, you can sleep under the blanket or in the sleeping bag and feel warm in almost any weather. Smittz Mittz. These gloves can provide optimal protection for your palms from almost anything. The secret of their amazing strength is the combination of several materials that are superimposed on each other. The outer layer is Kevlar. Below, there is a carbon protection along with the special inserts of super dense Cordura material. These gloves can withstand a variety of loads and protect the hands from cuts or blows with heavy objects. These gloves are also able to withstand fire for 20 seconds. Thanks for watching this episode of Technocracy. Please support our channel by liking and sharing this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the earliest notification as soon as we upload a new exciting episode. See you soon and take care.